Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the LOOkX Solution Pore Minimiser. This formula refines open, enlarged pores, deeply cleanses the skin, prevents the formation of blemishes and regulates sebaceous secretions. The skin will be protected from keratosis and moisture loss. After only 14 days, the structure of the skin will already be visibly improved. The packaging has a pump to douse the right amount of cream that you need. Apply the product with clean fingertips on your face with a massaging movement. Use the product in combination with the LOOkX Solution cream to strengthen the actions of the product. The LOOkX Solution Pore Minimiser is perfect for combination and/or oily skin to refine the skin and open pores. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.